party? Come on, sisters. Bring it on.
We are black. We know it. We should have big rooms and show it.
Your first step was down. I mean, it's because we're black. Is that it?
Why are you tripping? You ain't even black.
What did I do? I mean, if I ain't black, then what the hell am I?
Girlfriend, you wide-eyed.
Please have mercy.
No, we'll give you until first, and then you better cough up the money. I'll hurt you in so many ways you can't even imagine them all. Capiche?
We're here to see the Godfather.
Hello? Is anyone there?
Come closer, my child. What do you need?
It's history. I have a final soon, and someone told me you could help me.
Of course. When have I ever refused to help a friend?
Jack, I'm sorry about last night, you know. You really hurt me. It was my first time. You must understand. No, but still, it wasn't good enough. I'm very sorry. I hope we can make up again. You know, we can try to do it again. So what do you say we have some beers and enjoy the rest of the night? Okay. All right. Get a beer. Look, Jack, I'm glad we make up. I'm just glad we made up, you know. And I think it's time now to go and try to do it again in the tent. Wanna go inside and do it again? Yeah, let's do it again. Let me play with it. Let me just try it. Let me touch it. Let me play with it. It's my turn now. Wait a minute. I'm gonna go a little faster now. A little faster. Come on. It's my turn now. You gotta give it to me. Okay. Let me play with it. Take it. Let me play with it. Play with it. Yeah. Oh, that's right. Like that. Play with it. Take that. Take that. Man, I just popped me. Oh, the police is after me. Oh, the police is after me.